This is a world where no one can speak, for a demon is locked away here, and if anyone speaks, the demon will descend upon the earth. Yet, 3 miracles have occurred in this place. The next day, a paranormal investigation team arrived. After the head priest gestured for silence, he pointed to the sign at the door. No talking, no electronic devices allowed. Anna was confused by the rules, but since they were already there, they had to abide by them. After handing over their phones, the followers gave each of them a slate to write on, the only form of communication in this place for centuries. The head priest led them through dark corridors, to the priest's crypt. This was the first miracle, for just a few days ago, a follower heard noises coming from the coffin, and upon opening it, found the priest's body showed no signs of decay, even though the priest had been dead for over 2 years. John took out his tools to collect a sample for testing, but was interrupted by a nearby follower. Through the slate, they learned that the monastery had a bias against women, so Anna decided to step back. John handed the sample over to colleagues outside. Then they moved the priest's body to the attic. There, they discovered a strange cabinet, which was leaking an unknown liquid. John wanted to find out what was inside, but Mike raised the slate, indicating that the cabinet sealed a demon. John tried to listen to the sounds from inside, but it was eerily silent. Just as John was about to touch the cabinet, the follower stopped him, and through the slate they revealed that this was the second miracle. Meanwhile, Anna was waiting at the door, and by chance, she encountered a nun who had spilled a wine bottle. She rushed over to help and pushed the bottle back into the cellar. The head priest and others arrived just then. At his gesture, the nun unwound the bandages on her hands, revealing stigmata on her palms. Later, Anna went to speak to the nun privately, explaining that the marks on her hands could have been caused by pushing a cart. However, the nun asked the nearby follower to leave, then locked the door with a chair. Once everything was prepared, she removed her clothes, and under Anna's curious gaze, she unwrapped the bandages on her feet, revealing stigmata identical to the ones on her hands. To Anna's shock, there was also a stigmata on the nun's ribs, and it was still oozing blood. It looked exactly like the image on the wall, with Jesus' hands and feet nailed to the cross, and his rib pierced. Anna began to suspect, could this monastery truly be cursed by Jesus?